All right, so we have made it to Cabo, and since we're as far south as we can possibly go on the Baja Peninsula, I think the only thing that we can do now is jump in the water. If you've been following along, you'll know that I've been traveling through Baja for the past 6 weeks with my friends Jimmy and Natalie. Now that we've made it to the bottom of the peninsula, we have decided to do something absolutely crazy to celebrate. I'm not sure how clear the water looks on camera, but this water is crystal clear. It is so beautiful out here. So I've gotten in the water at the very tip of Baja, and I'm not gonna lie, this spot that we picked out has a very strong current. So I didn't go very far out, but at least I got in. So now that we've made it to the very bottom of Baja and got in the water, now we're going on another boat ride. However, the difference now is we all three took Dramamine. So hopefully this will go a little bit smoother than the whale watching tour we went on. So far, the water has not been too choppy at all. I'm feeling great. Natalie, how are you feeling?
I feel pretty good, honestly. A little bit, like 10% sleepy, probably from the Dramamine, but I'm not nauseous.
Are you feeling good, Jimmy?
Yeah, sleepy, but good.
Perfect. I think the Dramamine that we took is making us a little bit sleepy, but as long as we're not nauseous, that's perfect. This beach right behind me is called Lover's Beach. Unfortunately, it's closed right now, so we're not able to check it out. The water on this side is very calm, and on the other side, it's called Divorce Beach, and the water is extremely rough over there. This goes from the Sea of Cortez, where we're at now, to the Pacific Ocean, right through there. So this arch right behind me is the main reason why we came on this boat ride. This is the famous arch that's in Cabo, and it's awesome. This is known as the Land's End, and it's very cool out here. This side is the Pacific Ocean. This beach on this side is called Divorce Beach, and it's very beautiful despite the name. Okay.
Okay.
Well, that was definitely a cool end to our boat trip that we weren't expecting. This boat trip definitely went a lot smoother than the whale watching boat trip that we went on back in Guerrero Negro. Probably because we do have Dramamine in us. I think that if we didn't take that, we would probably be sick. But this one went so much smoother. All right, so we've made it to our camp spot for the night, and this is a pretty nice place. It cost us 400 pesos to stay here for the night, but we're pretty much right on the beach, so we're gonna go check it out real quick. I can see that we are right across from where we just took the boat ride, so we got a really good view of that area. So there is a sailboat that is anchored right off the shore here, and we saw it when we took the boat ride. It is massive. I'm not quite sure I've ever seen a sailboat this big. All right, so tomorrow we have something absolutely crazy planned. We wanted to do something big to celebrate reaching the very bottom of Baja, and we were gonna go bungee jumping, however, that fell through. So the next best thing would be skydiving, and we're gonna be doing that tomorrow. All right, so I'm back at the Vans. Jimmy and Natalie just left to go on their skydive, and if the wind holds down, I'll be able to go next. But unfortunately, we all three couldn't go on the same flight. So now I'm just waiting to hear the airplane go by so I can run down there to the beach. The beach that we're parked on is the beach that they land on. So I'm just waiting to hear the airplane go by so I can run down there and film them landing. All right, I just seen them. One of their chutes have opened so far. Okay, both chutes have opened. So that's good. I'm gonna run down here and watch them land. This is so awesome. So this is the beach that they're gonna land on, and both of their chutes have opened, so that's good. And they're getting closer to the ground. I hope that the wind stays calm enough for me to be able to do it next. I cannot wait to hear what they have to say about it.
We are back at the Ferma.
God,
How was it?
that was great. That was honest. Hey, Cory, how's it going?
Good.
Oh my God, that was awesome.
Okay. The question is,
Here comes Natalie. Oh my gosh.
if you're around, buddy.
Oh my God. Thank you.
Oh, I'm good.
How'd it go?
That was awesome. Oh, you're gonna love it, Cory.
Oh, man.
It's amazing and it's not scary. Thank you.
I am very excited to try this. Fingers crossed that the wind holds out.
Oh, Cory, that was great, honestly.
I can't
So
wait to
cool.
try it.
Oh, you're gonna love it,
You're gonna
Cory.
love it.
Here we go.
Hello, my fresh meat. Welcome in Cabo San Luca, Mexico. What's your name?
My name's Cory.
Nice to meet you, Cory. I'm Luca. Tell me, what do you do today?
I am skydiving.
You gonna go snorkeling today?
No,
No. Why do you not do this kind of stuff?
because I would rather go skydiving.
Well, I agree with you. We're going 8,500 feet. Last word for the family.
I love you guys.
Sit down, be quiet. They usually say, do this, do that, grow up, be nice and behave. But I've never wanted to be like them. Monday to Friday, that's just nothing for me. We've got a life to live, so please don't waste my time. Let tomorrow be tomorrow, not here now.
Oh my God, this is awesome.
We did it. It's loco. Loco.
This is so cool.
Be safe and sound. There's time for that now. And what we are doing
Oh,
is
God.
stupid. Just you
Woo!
and me in the night.
Oh my gosh.
One thing which you know is that we
Oh
got
my
plenty
God.
of time. That we got plenty of time. That we got plenty of time.
Oh! my God. That was awesome.
You did it!
I did it.
Tell me, how was up there?
Unbelievable.
Okay, the question for you is, do you wanna jump again?
Yes.
Not me.
Not today.
No, I agree with you.
All right, so my mom thought that we were going to be going bungee jumping, but the bungee jumping fell through, so we decided to go skydiving, and I haven't let her in on that information yet, so I'm about to call her and let her know what we just did.
She's gonna freak.
Hello?
Mom?
Yeah.
So, I wanted to call and tell you something because, unfortunately, we were going to go bungee jumping today, but that completely, that completely fell through, so we weren't able to do that.
Okay.
So we decided to go skydiving.
Oh my God. Did you already do it?
We've already done it and landed. I wanted
Well, thank God.
I wanted to wait until after we were done before I called and told you. All right, so now that all three of us have been skydiving, I think it's time for some tacos. All right, so Jimmy and I got margaritas and Natalie got a pina colada, which looks amazing.
Mine's frozen. It's like
Oh gosh.
like a smoothie. How is it?
Perfect.
Nice.
Have you tried yours yet?
Yes, it is really good.
Oh, yes.
Lisa, you ready?
Gracias.
Immediately.
That looks amazing. So what we're planning to do, we all three got different types of tacos. I got the grilled fish, Jimmy got the beef, and Natalie got the grilled shrimp. Fried shrimp. And we decided that we're going to switch around so that all three of us can have each of the types of tacos. So I have a beef, a grilled fish, and a fried shrimp. And I've got guacamole, and it looks like salsa. Everybody is telling me that I need to try the fish tacos, so that's what I'm gonna try right now. I'm gonna add a little bit of salsa to mine. Did you all add anything to yours?
No, and I think it would taste better if you did.
Okay, so grilled fish and salsa. I'm not sure what type of fish it is, but it looks really good.
Yes.
Oh my gosh,
How do you like it?
that is really good.
Yeah.
It really is, honestly. I definitely could have gotten all three just fish tacos.
Yes. Jimmy and Natalie don't really care for seafood, but they're really liking the fish tacos, so that says a lot. We are currently in San Jose del Cabo, and we're gonna go check out the town square, and then we're gonna go to a cafe and get some drinks. So a couple that we just passed let us know that this that we're walking up on is actually a protest.
Iniciamos hoy y muy importante las banderas que les acabamos aquí de repartir.
Todo un derecho, expone la Constitución, no depende ni del presidente ni de su partido.
We don't know what they're protesting exactly, but if no one would have told us it was a protest, we never would have guessed. It just looks like they're having a really big party with a lot of Mexican flags. So needless to say, nothing crazy is happening.
La democracia no solo es ir a votar.
After we checked out San Jose del Cabo, we stopped at a cafe and got a few drinks, and then started our journey back north. What took us about 6 weeks to travel down only took us about a week to make it back up. All right, so we've made it to the border, and there is an extremely long line. We knew that this was going to take a while, but it is currently 3:30, so we'll see how long it takes us to get through this. And there's also people here taking advantage of all these cars being parked because there's a lot of people walking around trying to sell stuff. Well, We just hit the 2-hour mark. This stretch of road is not even a mile long, and so far it's taken us 2 hours. I'm tired. Once we get over into Arizona, we're gonna go back to the Cracker Barrel in Yuma. That's where we stayed the night before we came over into Mexico. So we're gonna stay there again tonight. I think we're even gonna eat dinner there, which is perfect because I'm starving. And then tomorrow, Jimmy, Natalie, and I are going our separate ways. So we finally made it up here after 3 hours in this line. Oh gosh.
You bring anything back?
No, I've got like cheese and stuff in my fridge. Is that a problem?
Any fruits, meats?
No, none of that.
Are there any pets in the bag?
Nope. Oh. Yeah.
Are you traveling by yourself or with like?
I'm with the people that
in
were.
front of you?
Yeah.
Okay. Have a good day.
You too, thank you.
The roundabout, take the second exit onto US 95 North.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, that went very smoothly. He just glanced inside my van, and then they had a dog sniff around it, and that was it. Perfect. After getting through the border, we decided to stop and get Wendy's for dinner. Then we stayed at a Cracker Barrel where I said goodbye to Jimmy and Natalie and made my way back to Oklahoma, where I have been for over a week now. I know that this video is extremely late, and my video schedule has been way off during pretty much this entire trip. So I really appreciate y'all's patience while I've been trying to work through this. One thing that I definitely need to work on while I'm traveling is being able to make videos and get them out on time. That's very important to me to be able to do that. So it's definitely something I'm going to be working on. When I got back to Oklahoma, the main thing I wanted to focus on was my family. It's been a couple months since I had seen them, so I was very excited to spend a little bit of time with them. Before I end this, I do want to say real quick, Jimmy and Natalie, I had an awesome time on this trip with you guys. Thank you both for making this such an awesome experience. This is definitely a trip that I will never forget. I think that's where I'm going to end it this week. The next few weeks, I'm going to be in Oklahoma. There's some things that I want to get taken care of on my van, some things I need to fix, and just some things I realized on this trip that I would like to update, so I'm going to go ahead and get that taken care of as well. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next one.